Hey everyone! Curious about how to get a list of token holders or NFT holders on Solana for an airdrop? In this video, we show you step-by-step how to take a snapshot of token holders on the Solana blockchain. Open your browser and navigate to app.hypersol.xyz. Connect your wallet to HyperPad. Then go to Token Snapshot section. On the right side of the screen, you'll find a list of popular tokens on Solana. If you don't already have the token's contract address, simply click on the token in the list to copy. After getting the contract address, paste it into the search bar and load the token. For this video, we are choosing NubCat token. Choose the number of top holders you want to include in the snapshot. You can also set a minimum number of tokens that a holder must have to be included in the snapshot. Click on Take Snapshot button. After confirming the transaction in the wallet, you will be headed over to Manage section where you can download the snapshot. The left column is the address of the holder, and in the right column their amount. Now let's see how we can take snapshots of NFTs. Navigate to app.hypersol.xyz. Go to NFT Snapshot section. On the right side of the screen, you'll find a list of popular NFTs. If you don't already have the NFT's collection address, simply click on the NFTs in the list to copy its contract address. If you want to take a snapshot of any specific NFT, you need to follow these steps. Head over to magiceden.io. Now you can select any NFT from the top Solana NFTs list, or you can simply search for the NFT you are looking for. For this video, we are choosing Retardio Cousin. Click on any item and scroll down to its details and copy its on-chain collection address. Now head back to NFT Snapshot section on HyperPad. Paste the collection address into the search bar and load the NFT. Click on the Take Snapshot button. Confirm the transaction. You will be headed over to Manage section where you can download the snapshot. After a few minutes, your snapshot will be ready to download. And that's it. Before you go, you should check all the other Solana-based tools on HyperSol: Multisender, PumpFundBumbot, RadiumBot, MoonshotBot, Snapshot, and Token Manager. For support, DM us on Telegram. Thanks for watching.